Hi everyone, this is Kristen, and today I'm here with some watch bands from the company Burkley for Apple Watch. These are a genuine leather watch band. They're really nicely made. We're looking at nice buckles, nice fit, etc. Let's look at these in a bit more detail. So looking here at the first type of band from Burkley, this is their padded leather band. Very nice. We have it in two different colors here. You've got a nude as well as a burnished tan. Very, very nice. These are two of the 8 colors that this comes in. I have a 38 millimeter size because I have a 38 millimeter watch, but these do also come in the 42 millimeter size. And in fact, there are a few more colors available in 42 millimeters if you want to go that way. So let's look here at our burnished tan to start with. So looking here, we have nice stitching on this. You have a different type of lining leather here as opposed to the one on the top. All of this is genuine leather, all quite nicely made. When you order this, you have the option to choose different colors of connectors. They just sent me out silver, although I happen to have a rose gold watch, so that does not necessarily look quite as good as it would if you were ordering, because if you order yourself, you can actually choose rose gold, gold, black, or silver for these. But just because these were sent out as a review sample, I just have silver to go with. So overall, nice quality leather. I think this has quite a nice luxe look. Everything seems to be nicely made, good stitching, etc. I think that Burkley makes good quality leather products. I have reviewed some of their phone cases before and have been impressed as well. Putting this on your Apple Watch is quite straightforward. Simply take off your existing band and then slide the new band into the slot. These can sometimes be a little bit less smooth and you have to work a little harder to get it on than with a standard Apple one, but overall I think that they work fine, and given the price differential, I really can't complain. So then going over to the other side, just do the same thing again. Just have to find the sweet spot and line it up and you are good. And then they click into place and everything is all set. So looking at this, just very, very nice. Everything has a high quality, high-end look. Leather is nice. The buckles are nice. Everything works well. And for a whole lot less than what you would pay Apple for a very similar product. So doing a wrist view here, you can see really looks nice. Looks like a nice leather watch band. So no complaints there from my side. Comfort wise, it feels quite nice on. Absolutely no objections. Moving on to our second color here, we have the nude version. Exactly the same construction wise. Everything again, quite nicely made. So here we have the nude version. Again, nice smooth feel in the hand. We've got a nice smell to the leather. Good stitching. Absolutely no issues there. You got a little Burkley branding, but it's inside, so that is just your secret. And leather lined. Everything just really nice. And then for our arm view, everything looks really nice. Nice fit, nice feel. And yes, in case you were wondering, that is my cat in a Santa hat. The final watch band that Burkley sent me out to review is their 3-in-1 watch band. So this one is a combination. You can use it in 3 different ways. One way is a double tour watch band, another one is a standard watch band, and the third version is a cuff watch band. So there's a lot of interesting stuff here. Construction-wise, this is slightly different than the ones that I was showing you before because it's not a padded watch band, so it's a little more supple, a little thinner on the wrist. Overall, it has a very nice feel to it. The other difference that we have here is that because this one is now on clearance, you can no longer choose the type of metal connector color. They only have silver, apparently, which is what they sent me. And I think silver is okay with my rose gold watch. It's not really killing me that the silver and the rose gold don't match. But if that's a deal killer for you, just be aware you can't choose your connector color with this particular variant anymore. So looking at our cuff version here. Just slide the connectors here onto the watch. Again, you have to line them up just right or they don't want to slide on. There we go. Same thing on the other side. Then we can see our cuff version, really kind of cool. So the bottom of the cuff thing, again, this is just another nice piece of leather here. You have a cutout here so that the watch will be able to make connection with your skin. And the cuff thing is just an optional thing. You can completely slide off the cuff, and if you do that, you will just have a standard watch band. But it's a really cool look. It has a really unique appearance to it. Might be a little hotter in hot weather than some of the others, but it's a fashion, so you got to go for that. It's a cool look. So you just put it on like a regular watch band. And then you have your cool cuff look. Feels quite comfortable on. You can see it's quite easy to slide out this side from the cuff. The other side is a little bit more irritating because you have to actually slide the buckle through these little loops here, so it takes a little longer, but it's quite possible to do. So looking here at the standard version of the 3-in-1, everything quite nice here. Nice leather on the exterior, got good stitching. Interior looks nice, contrasting color. This just has a very nice high quality look. We have some branding here for Burkley on the interior. Putting this on. Goes on nicely, although I find this buckle kind of irritating to use because it's got two spots where you could potentially go in. I think that this top one here is just decorative, that or I don't know how to use it. At any rate, I have a tendency to try to thread it through the wrong one, and then the results are not so good. But it looks kind of cool. There we go, got it on. As you can see, nice look on. Quite attractive. Finally, we're going to go with our fancy double tour look. In order to do that, we have to put on our super long strap. Alright, so now we have this super long thing. So, as I said, this one wraps twice around your wrist. So, let's put it on and I will show you how it looks. It's a little trickier than some of the others to get on, at least for me. So you want to start here with this being upside down. And then loop this guy underneath, coming back out. Then, it's hard to do this one-handed and on camera as well. Then you got to slip through here and buckle it on. So once you get it on, I think that this is a nice, fashionable looking variant. Everything looks really nice. It looks really quite upscale in my opinion. You have the option to wear this additional strap on either side. However, if you wear it on this side, it's going to interfere with the digital crown, so that's really not that great. So I think that you would be well advised to wear it on this side. But overall, just a really nice watch variant. I think that the 3-in-1 offers excellent value given the fact that you can wear it 3 different ways for one really quite low price. So this is a really cool option. Again, we've been looking at some lovely leather watch bands by the company Burkley for Apple Watch. So these 2 padded leather bands here, this one here in Burnished Tan and that one in Nude, have an MSRP of $69. They also come in 6 other colors. You have a couple shades of brown, a black, a blue, a gold, and a yellow. And then we have this one here, which goes by the long name of 3-in-1 Leather Band Classic Cuff Double Tour. It's a great deal at $39. It's on sale, usually over $100, and I think it's a particularly good deal because it's also a 3-in-1, so you have a lot of value there. All of these came from the company Burkley. They were sent to me as review samples. Many thanks to Burkley for that. I will put links below where you can find out more about them. If you have any questions about them, please feel free to put them in the comments below and I will do my best to address them. And if you are interested in subscribing to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I have lots more great tech accessory reviews yet to come. Again, this is Kristen with some lovely leather watch bands by Burkley. Have a fantastic day.